Good morning, everyone. Today, I want to talk about something really exciting, scouting. Have you ever wanted to go on adventures, learn cool skills, and make great friends? Well, scouting offers all that and more. Let me tell you why joining scouting can be one of the best decisions you'll ever make. Brief description. Scouting is a fun and rewarding activity that helps you grow in many ways. As a scout, you'll get to go camping, learn survival skills, and explore nature. You'll also work on team projects that help your community, like cleaning parks or planting trees. Scouting teaches important life skills like leadership, problem solving, and teamwork. Plus, it's a great way to build confidence, make lifelong friends, and have unforgettable adventures. So, if you love adventure, want to learn new things, and enjoy helping others, scouting is perfect for you. It's not just about earning badges. It's about becoming a better person while having fun. Who's ready to join the Scout family? Thank you.
After watching the video, answer the following questions. 1. What are 2 fun outdoor activities Scouts do? 2. How does Scouting help the community? 3. Name 2 life skills Scouting teaches. 4. Why is Scouting good for building confidence? 5. What is one reason you might want to join Scouting?
Practice is the key to mastery. Every effort, no matter how small, gets you closer to perfection. Keep going. Your dedication will pay off. Latihan adalah kunci menuju penguasaan keterampilan berbahasa. Setiap usaha, sekecil apapun, membawa Anda lebih dekat ke kesempurnaan. Teruslah maju, dedikasi Anda akan membuahkan hasil. Salam dari Pak Budi.